Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Hayward Super 2 Pool Pump. This powerful single-speed 1 horsepower in-ground pool pump is compatible with a wide range of electronic chlorine generation systems that convert salt into chlorine, making it ideal for saltwater in-ground pools. It's capable of pumping 4,200 gallons per hour, making it well suited to pools up to 33,000 gallons. A clear filter cover makes it easy to see when it's time to change the debris basket. And, when it is time to empty it, the lid twists off with a quarter turn for quick cleaning. A convenient plug at the base of the pump makes it easy to drain for maintenance. This pump uses a 115-volt power source. Housing design and heavy-duty, high-performance motor features airflow ventilation for quieter, cooler operation. Our second best pool pump is XtremepowerUS Pool Pump. XtremepowerUS offers the efficiency of a multi-speed pump without the high purchase price of a variable speed model. This pump operates at low speed or high speed, allowing you to save up to 70% over a single speed pump. Powerful pool pump heavy-duty, high-performance motor with airflow ventilation for quieter, cooler operation. Heavy-duty, high-performance motor with airflow ventilation for quieter, cooler operation. An extra-large debris basket keeps pool maintenance to a minimum, letting you enjoy your pool more, while the clear cover lets you see exactly when the basket needs cleaning. The XtremepowerUS self-priming pool pump is constructed with corrosion-proof polymeric material to be longer-lasting and highly durable. Built to have a high-performance motor with airflow ventilation for quieter noise and smoother runtime experience. Third in our list is Pentair Efficient Pool Pump. If you want the best features and prices of no concern, then the Pentair 011018 is the way to go. The reason this pump is number 3 on this list is because it's simply beyond the budget of most consumers. The other drawback to this pump is that it runs on 230V electric only. Although it's the highest priced option on our list, it tends to pay off in the long run. This Energy Star certified pump offers 90% energy savings, making it one of the most energy efficient pool pumps out there. Over time, this could add up to significant savings on your energy bill. Another advantage is the permanent magnetic motor, which runs cooler with less vibration, producing incredibly quiet operation. The built-in diagnostics improve the service life of this pump and make troubleshooting and repairs simpler than ever. The built-in timer and 8 programmable speed settings make this the most versatile pool pump available. Number 4 in our best pool pump list is Hayward SP1580X15 Pool Pump. This ensures that no water can penetrate the outer housing, improving the overall lifespan of the pump. The corrosion-proof housing is made from reinforced thermoplastic for high performance in any weather and very quiet operation. Installation is made easy by a 6-foot power cord with a 3-prong 120V plug. Equipped with an extra-large debris basket, this pump helps keep maintenance to a minimum. The pump motor is equipped with automatic thermal overload protection. The thermal overload will shut the motor off under abnormal conditions before damage to motor occurs. The motor will auto-restart when safer heat level is reached. For storage and winterizing your pump is important. Pump and motor must be protected from freezing. Shut off all electric power. Disconnect cord electrical connections and plumbing connections. Drain thoroughly and clean out any debris. Store pump and motor in a dry, well-ventilated room. For all the features this pump includes, it's priced quite reasonably. Of course, the build quality does reflect the price. Our last pick is Intex Krystal Clear Cartridge Pump. If you're shopping for an above-ground pool pump based mainly on the convenience angle, there's no substitute for a cartridge filter pump. The Intex Krystal Clear Filter Pump with hydro-aeration technology improves circulation and filtration, improves water clarity, and increased negative ions in the water. The pump runs on 110 to 120 volts and weighs 24.2 pounds. The Intex pump is compatible with pools up to 15,200 gallons with 1.25-inch diameter hose fittings. The easy-to-clean and replaceable 29000E Type B filter is included. Pump is double insulated and has a sediment flush and air release valves. With a built-in ground fault circuit, interpreter and strainer basket included on pump prolongs the life of the pump and is easy to clean. Features an automatic timer with preset 2 to 12-hour cycles. Features a pump capacity of 2,500 GPH and system flow rate of 1,900 GPH, ideal for above-ground pools, and a heavy-duty tank is made of durable plastic. This pump is specifically designed for use with above-ground pools. The pump is meant for Intex pools. If you have a smaller pool, the pump might work, but you may require adapters, and these don't come bundled.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!